What's going on? Michael Petty here. So what I did was I put together a email campaign that's going to give you some additional training. Show you how to find some people to market your business to, give you some ideas on how to enroll more people in your business. Because here's the deal. What's the whole point of recruiting people into your business if they don't know how to recruit? Right? Why bring people to your business if you're not giving them the training that's going to show them how it actually works? So I'll put together an email campaign that's going to give you the training and also give you information on how you can position yourself to earn up to $2,000 in instant commission. When I mean instant, no waiting on your money. Make a sale, the money is yours. Right? You can get started for as little as $149 and upgrade. Now, when you upgrade, you only pay the difference from level to level. So the max you're going to pay is $23.99 for the top level, and you're done. Unlimited $2,000 commissions. So in the emails you're getting training. The company we're promoting is online marketing training, personal development. It's like a lot of courses, multitude of courses on different topics and everything. Plus, we have additional training on our team. When you click the link in the description into your email address, brought over to this page where it's going to be a 6-minute presentation. You're going to see how the company close your sales. If you have questions, you can call that number and get your questions answered, or you can contact me. Quick video talking about making money in Exitus Elite. You can check out all the products and see what all you're going to get based on the levels, right? You can see what other people are saying. You get access to my copy and paste swap file, the team bonuses. You get a mega swap file. You get a one-on-one bonus training, a 3-generational bonus training. So training in the emails, training in the company, additional training in our team bonuses. Because we want to make sure you win, that you know exactly what you're doing. If you're going to join our team, you get a lot of training in our team. Coming at G1000, G2000, you're going to get added to our team private chat for ongoing support and training, vacation voucher from the company, and some additional team bonuses that's going to put additional money in your pocket. Okay, if you need to contact me, my contact information is right there below. So you can either contact me, or if you want more questions answered from the company directly, you can call that number there and get your questions answered. So check it out. If $2,000 in instant same-day commissions, immediate, PayPal, Cash App, I don't know about Cash App because I think it's limited on Cash App, Cash, Walmart to Walmart, Western Union, you get to choose how you get paid inside this company. So if $2,000 in instant commission sounds good to you, click the link down in the description. Get this information. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next video.